Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, you need to click on Play Store, then tap on this search bar and type in Magic Fluids. So sorry, that was a misclick. Then you need to install this app from this developer and open it. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Over here you need to tap on Settings and then click on I accept in this pop-up. After that, adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. And when you're ready, click on the top right corner, then button 1 again. This time though, you need to just set a safe wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and pick Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. When you're ready, click on Home button, and as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!